She's like, look at this. Oh, she's totally fine with it.
We have a new heavyweight champion. That rabbit toy is a total KO.
First up on the menu is going to be
You're gonna be fine, let's go. Oh Lord, you guys are so lazy. Yeah, let's go.
Safety first. He's ready for the construction site.
Say mama. Not you.
Okay.
Say mama.
Hey, Sam. Hey, buddy.
Every cat is part sweetheart.
He's so fast and so fast at the same time. Oh my God. Did you get that on camera?
Hey, leave her alone. See, I told you that would happen, Cleo.
Viv, what are you doing?
Don't worry, folks, because she's the eye of the hurricane.
Oh! Hop! Huwag mo ano, diretso ka lang, te. And transfer. Good job, Matt. Good job.
Let's go! Oh my God!
Looks like he's had a bad experience with glass doors before.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Wait, are you my cousin who went to the gym way too much?
No.
The cat is like, wait until you're asleep, human. When you're clumsy and always have to act normal after fails.
cayó.
Go, Papa.
Uy, uy.
Hazel, get off. Off. Off.
Hazel, down. Off. Hey. Get down. No.
When the food bowl is empty, they take matters into their own paws. Animal moments. See you next time, and stay awesome! From a cat's point of view.
I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh no. I'm gonna sneeze.
He's living his best life as a giant land seal.
Get a gobble at them. All of their necks extended. Keep.
OMG. There's a bear at our window trying to get the bird feeder.
Give me a good day for mud. Oh my God.
This dog is making an honest living.
What the
I guess comfort is a matter of opinion.
Minty?
Look, this one is 10% fur and 90% snow dog. Seriously, I think my cat is a Yeti. Can normal cats do this?
А что ты сидела-то будешь? Отдай.
Folks, Santa's off-season job looks much more efficient.
Hey friends, just when you think you've seen it all, animals find a new way.
Imagine he's your luggage handler. I'll give him 0 stars on Yelp. Not today, Candle. Not on the watch of a professional fire marshal.
Her spot was taken, but she wasn't changing plans.
Seals often approach divers because they perceive them as clumsy fellow sea creatures. He has spent years and years practicing his reverse mode.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for even more amazing animals.
All training is easy peasy when snacks are involved.
Maddie, what are you doing?
His patience deserves some kind of award.
How to Read People's Faces by Professor Horsey.
One dog that's an athlete.
Good catch.
And when you have one dog that's a dummy.
It's our back.
Oh no, you're kidding me.
Cute dinner dates. Oh, try it with the sauce, bro. Trust me, you'll like it. Ooh yeah, saucy.
Are you gonna be ready for? Oh.
Big Doggo. Who invited this vibrating potato? I didn't sign up for him. How do I, as an introvert, feel after a long day? Someone doesn't even want the bed. He just wants the victory.
Refusing that face probably isn't an option.
Coach, come out and talk about the fact that you peed.
Me, when your parents are back from the parent-teacher conference.
We need to talk. We need to talk right now. Coach.
Doggo may be alone, but protecting his human turned him into the bravest creature on the farm.
That's what they do here. We don't have. Oh, thank you for showing us. Thank you for showing us. Oh, you're showing us a baby. Oh, you're kissing.
She just gave it a kiss. Don't, Pippin. Pippin, no! Stop it!
He forgot the cone of shame adds 10 pounds to his center of gravity.
Excuse me? Excuse me, Bruni? Really?
Leopard underestimated one important thing. Guard dogs run purely on loyalty and audacity.
Are you okay?
Yeah. No. They're worse than the big one, dude.
What the?
Nina, gently lang.
Oh!
Nina, Nina.
Come here. Oh my god!
You're goofy.
Tonga.
Hummingbirds already have incredible wings, and apparently their tongues are just as special.
Really, Maple? She just trying to flirt, man.
At the end of that.
Yep, Ruby. Yep. Yep, Bella. Yep, Ruby.
Brisket. Do you want to go to Dunkin' Donuts?
No doggo! No doggo! Doggo!
Part troublemaker. Way to surprise you.
Oh, no. Mila, please.
Golden Retriever activated Suburban Security Mode at full power. Kangaroo entered the wrong server today.
These niggas. Come on, man. Stop. You gonna get them dizzy.
Spin!
Hello. Oh, hello.
In a competition of who wears best when Santa comes to town,
Abigail. Whee!
I bet he thinks he found the legendary rainbow grass.
Drive. Move. Move. Move.
Saying, hey, we're coming in, and just goes, I don't focus on the negative. I'm an optimist.
Nobody told him he's supposed to be a cat.
It's gonna be an optimist with a crown on is what you're gonna be, Hezekiah.
Walker, is that so good? The face.
Hi, Tina Pina. You pretty girl. I missed.
Dogs don't measure danger by size. They only measure whether their territory is being invaded.
She's being nosy and clingy at the same time. After 19 years together, they're pretty much in sync.
Cat is a 4K biological pop-up ad that you can't close without giving tuna.
Do it again.
Sea lions are incredibly intelligent and echo human movements.
He's like, all right, I'm gone.
Oski, pagan! Oski!
The funniest part is that they don't seem concerned at all.
No.
He's gonna. Loki, whisper. Yes, good boy. Good boy.
Sheep thought he found an easy target. Then the tiny security officer delivered a very loud life lesson.
They had sent Tupac a demo, and we played that tape together.
I think his Dream software just ran into a 404 error.
Phone call that Big was having an album release party.
In the end, the will to protect is what matters. Thanks for watching.
Cat didn't ask for a car wash, but she'll allow it this once.
Hi, Piggy. Hi.
Yeah.
Wendy, no.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. We've rounded up the absolute most hilarious animal antics of 2026. Don't judge, they're practicing for the doggy Olympic high jump.
Steve, come here. Come here. Steve, come. Come here. Steve, come here. Come here.
The cookies are being made, but the recipe is slightly confused. Seagull law is simple. I see it, I have it.
Up the stairs. You get over the stairs. You ready? Are you ready? Go. On you go. 1, 2, 3. Good girl.
Leaves or insects? Why not both? These leaf insects are experts at blending in.
Who needs an Australian Shepherd when you got Buck on the job?
Oh man, where can you get yourself this floating island? Tell me!
I think I picked up the passenger. Nice. He just wants to hang out for a while.
They were taken out by an elephant before having.
That puppy is holding his breath. One blink could end it all.
Seriously, I'm surprised you don't walk like this all the time.
Play fighting with toys helps Doggo channel their natural prey drive.
Yes, I do know a thing or two about it.
Someone his little back. He's going underwater. He's coming back down.
He's running with a whole rock in his mouth.
Oh, now he's
dog's reaction is raising some questions.
The police. Police?
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Big muscles and powerful legs still couldn't beat the dog's fearless protective instincts.
She's reached the nice try stage of life.
Go get it!
Nothing humbles a bear faster than an angry dog defending its home turf.
Puppies.
Big Doggo forgot to renew his Tough Guy subscription this month.
That's his name? Yeah, oh yeah, his name's Chicken Nugget. Oh yeah, this is Chicken Nugget.
What's that? Oh, okay, scratches actually hurt. Yeah.
So if you've got a dog, got a rescue dog, get out and do something with it.
He's taking notes for his next performance review.
Correct, like that there. Okay.
Good boy.
Baby girl.
Dining with a tiny thief is a bold move.
Hi there, friend. Hi there, beautiful. Robin, you said it. What do we do, guys? Oh my god.
Do you think that the tail is the ultimate treadmill for the mind? All moms walk like this when their children walk like that. Guys, this is how you dine on a budget of $0.
Then we can rest up and heal.
When wild instincts meet loyal protectors, things don't always go as expected.
Ya me voy, mi amor. Oh, les filles, je me fais arracher mon foulard. Les filles, s'il vous plaît. Les filles, il est en bas. C'est pas grave. Tranquille.
Snowflake, stop that! Tom, don't let you say you get elbows over the
Hundreds of millions have died. Our team of auto injury attorneys has the experience to get you the most compensation fast.
Call now to speak directly to an attorney.
Fainting goats stay conscious. Their muscles just freeze due to genetics.
Leo, bang. Stay.
Huh? That's some very creative problem solving.
Stop!
You think you're an old man, don't you? You're a good boy. Old man.
Kami belalang kupu-kupu. Dapat biar rame.
Most reliable support for the flock of sheep against the wolf.
Amigo, come on, come on, come on, come on! This is going somewhere. Come on, Amigo, come on, come on!
Is your human home? Can you come out and play, or are you grounded?
Oh my gosh!
Pretty heavy.
He's gonna kill you! But I'm filming. So.
Deer just got escorted out by the no entry system with 4 legs and attitude.
Her plan was simple. Don't move and deny everything.
Saving you from the screaming floor monster, he's the hero we don't deserve.
You can see the timidity, but the territorial instinct is even stronger. The dog still goes for it.
The baby realized the dog has a much better shush policy than the parents. Step 2 in his dental hygiene routine. No wonder he has shiny teeth.
Bear walked in with confidence and walked out with emotional damage. The guard dog is an undefeated warrior.
Вот идет, идет.
Нет, так я имею в виду, мне
Uh-oh, please insert 3 treats to reboot the system.
Max!
When you accidentally become the king of the moo Archie.
No, save the tortoise. Oh no!
Daisy! No, Daisy, come on. Oh.
Wow, that's an entire show.
The baboon showed up curious, but the dog showed up with the "this is my house" energy.
This little guy is a friendly reminder that life is short, beach it up.
Elk have the power to intimidate, but the puppy had a reason to fight back.
I wonder who chewed this. I don't think it was Gary. Gary, was it you that chewed this? No, obviously not. It wasn't you, was it, baby?
Sit. Sit. Sentado. Come here. Come here. Come here. Venga.
Where you going? Do not get the shoe!
Too far, dude.
I have to save him. Yes! No way!
Oh!
Oh my goodness! Oh!
They don't even try to be special. They just are.
That big dog's sigh is so loud I can hear it through the screen.
One thing about guard dogs, fear is simply not installed. The dog, all alone, became the...
Skip the small talk. He's in a hurry for the Banana Black Friday sale.
Hello, there you are! Holy shit! I thought you guys were f***ing Houdini!